Hello guys on YouTube. Today I got a unboxing video for you guys today. It is the Niteize 1-watt LED upgrade for flashlights. And the reason why I'm doing this video, because I've done this video before of the same exact 1-watt LED upgrade I did before, but I accidentally blew this one out by updating it in a different flashlight. But this will work with a 2-cell, 3-cell, 4-cell, 5-cell, or a 6-cell flashlight. But the reason why I want to do the unboxing is to upgrade a very cheap Wayback flashlight. It only cost about $7. Very cheap. See, there's the old incandescent light inside there, and it also has a textured reflector as well. And then this one does not have the technology of a spot to flood technology like my mag light. It's sitting on the floor, like this guy. It's not like that. Well, let's get on to the unboxing of the brand new 1-watt LED from Niteize for a D-cell and C-cell light flashlight. And there's the old one I was still gonna get rid of. Gotta return that one back to Niteize or something. And by the way, these bulbs here, anything you buy from Niteize or buy from stores, have a lifetime warranty on them. All you do is just call Niteize up and say, hey, say the light bulb died, and you replace it for free for you guys. No money. You placed it for free. Alright, let's get this unboxing done. I know I've done this video before, but I'm gonna do this video again because I blew out my Niteize bulb by trying it out in different flashlights. And I'm going to try to open this without damaging the package even more. I know I can just tear it open like I did the first one. Fudgel! He cut myself with my own blade. Oh, the video is gonna go on. I should have done it the up instead of down. Well, this is a very picky package to open, guys. I'm trying to open it. Come on, Ellie. Well, so I'm gonna move my finger up my light so I don't get cut this time. Well, I'm sorry if this is kind of a boring unboxing for you guys. I just want to try to save the package. God damn it! Hold on, guys. I'm trying to open this package without tearing it. Let me really don't make this the easiest package to open. Really don't. Anyway, it's kind of funny. You're trying to save the package and don't cut yourself in the process of trying to open it like I did. Ow. The reason why I'm doing this video is to talk about some of the Niteize stuff. I mean, Niteize does have a... Oh, before I open it, here's the front of the package. And also here's the back of the package as well. And it's a pretty cool light bulb. I mean, it's a 1 watt LED. And I'm going to be putting in a very cheap Wayback flashlight. And yes, and I was using my Huxley utility knife. It slipped and cut my finger. But that's okay. Let's get this unboxing done. We're trying not to tear the box too much. I mean, I know it's a way to open these things, but like me, I like to save my packaging. I do not like to tear my packaging. Oh, rabbit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wipe that. I'm gonna have to wash it off now. The reason why I try to save my packaging instead of tearing it is because I like to save it in case if I need to return it. Let's go ahead and finish the unboxing with a towel on my thumb, I guess. This is ridiculous. Here's a Niteize little sample thing to give you in the package and stuff like that. And let's go ahead and peel away the package from its sealed thing. I'll clean it up. Well, save it straight away. Don't worry about that. Put my Huxley knife photo. Put Niteize. What is the Niteize thing? It's this has all sorts of like different gizmos and gadgets and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Now let's get on to the Niteize bulb. I put the package lid out. There's the 1 watt LED bulb. Be going into my Wayback flashlight, a very cheap flashlight, by the way, guys. And I'm going to hold it with my fingers. Going to take the top off. There's the old bulb inside. Take the old bulb out. I'm going to put this off to the side. Going to grab my Niteize bulb. Put the packaging material out. There's the Niteize bulb. Pretty cool. Pretty small. Same base as a standard light bulb. Go ahead and slip the Niteize bulb in. Take the old one, iridescent out, put that over there. I'm going to screw the textual deflector in. Go ahead and put some diesel batteries in this guy, some energizers. And there you go. You successfully have updated a cheap Niteize, or a cheap Wayback flashlight. Ta-da! There's a bulb. Works just fine. Brand new, no issues. There you go. You have upgraded your cheap $7 Wayback flashlight. No longer incandescent. Now you can test this out in all sorts of different flashlights if you want. The bulb itself, that's what it's designed to do. But you see, there's a Niteize dead one and brand new one inside the flashlight. No, it just has a spot. No flood. Alright guys, I'm sorry about the little incident I have cut my finger with my knife. But I hope you guys like this video, leave a comment below, also subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with all y'all YouTubers out there. And if anybody wants to know about more of this Niteize upgrade flashlight help, let me know in the comments, guys. Alright, peace out. Bye, guys.